made my train. This was a little touch and go for a second. Okay, that's good. They have a bike compartment, which is nice, which I probably don't actually need. So this is cool. Got my train. Alright, just arrived in Kronborg. And we'll pick up my bike. It's pretty cool. See blue skies up there. Looks like the weather will be nice. Alright, just arrived here at Kronborg. So, pick up my bike, have my coffee. This is quite exciting. Hopefully I can find the shop. This looks like a little town. You might ask where I am right now. I just paid 5 kroner to get in here. I am in a bathroom. Never take pictures of bathrooms, but this is one of the nicest bathrooms I've ever been in. And I'm here to get ready for my ride, so I'm going to be changing right now. So, alright, I'm going to get to it and we'll catch you on the road. I'm so excited. I have this bike over there, that one in the far distance. This carbon bike for 24 hours in Copenhagen, and I'm gonna head towards Berlin, in the direction of Berlin. I'm not gonna make it to Berlin, but let's see how many kilometers I can go. And it's a nice day. It's kind of on and off sunshine and clouds, so I don't have my sunglasses. I left them in the hostel, but I don't think I'm gonna need them. So here it goes. I'm almost off on my ride. It's around a little past 11, and yeah, we'll see where we end up. I'm still at the train station. It's gonna be an awesome day. Good looking bike. I'm about 5 minutes into my ride and it started raining. So good thing I brought my jacket. I'm prepared. So here it goes. This is way cool. Finally on the road in Copenhagen. It's a little chilly, but it's gonna be a long ride. There's like lots of miles. It's very cool. There's the water over there. Very, very neat. No idea where I'm going. It's an adventure. Little grotto in the middle of nowhere. And explore, see what I find up here. Oh wow, 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 wow. Welcome to Denmark. Very cool view. And it started raining again. Very neat. Very cool. I'm in a little harbor here in Copenhagen, on the outskirts of Copenhagen. I'm pretty sure it's not Copenhagen, so just enjoying a really wonderful bike ride here. Really enjoying this bike ride. city, the country a little bit. First day here, got in last night, so alright, gonna keep riding. Going to Helsingor. Very close to Sweden. Randomly came across this Karen Blixen Museum. I'm very curious about who she is. I'm gonna go in and just check it out. Not sure that I'll go inside, but hey, I'm in Denmark. Gotta explore, right? Oh, it's a beautiful garden. Very cool, very cool. Started raining again. What a beautiful sky. Big Helsingor, cool. Very good. Should be about 20 minutes or so to lunch. I'm hungry. Time to eat in Denmark. Woohoo! What do we have there? I think we got some sheep or cows. Nivå. Very cool. I'm in Nivå now. Hitting a lot of towns. That's the advantage of being on a bike. Check out Nivå Harbor. Why not? It's like a much smaller town. Very cool. Yeah, I like this. Cycling is forbidden. Forbud. Alright, I'm gonna investigate a little bit and see if I can get on a ferry. Thinking, why the heck not? Have to find someone to ask some questions to. It's way cool. I just dropped my bike off in the ferry and I'm gonna go see if I can get a view somewhere. Taking the ferry to Sweden. Wow, this ferry is full of trucks. Very, very interesting. Here I come. Oh, this is super cool. I did not expect this today. Sweden, here I come. All right. We are off into Sweden. There we go. Thank you. You too. Thanks for your help. This is super cool. All right, I'm on Swedish soil. Waiting for a little gate to open. So I'm officially in Helsingborg, Sweden. I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring. Can't believe I'm in Sweden. This is nuts. Just got to Denmark yesterday night. Let's see what sights there are over here. Sweden. Did not expect to be here today. Super cool. What happens when you ride a bike? You end up in places you never thought you would. Made it to Sweden. This is amazing. Looking into Denmark from Helsingborg. Very cool. Here I am today, lucked out with the weather. It's actually nice and warm. What an awesome day. I think that's the ferry I'm taking back to this cape. Offload the passengers and I'll be able to get on. Follow this guy's lead. Alright, headed home. Very cool, very cool. Headed back home to Denmark. This is unbelievably cool. Alright, just boarded the ferry. Going back. Very neat. Got a little spot here. So beautiful. Castle right there. Very cool. Let's cross the moat. Sweet. Very cool. Wow, that's pretty. I'm crossing a moat, leaving the castle behind. That was a really cool experience. Yeah. Denmark. Got about 30 miles to get back to Copenhagen. I was in Helsingor. 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 It's a pretty long way back. It's about 5:30, or wait, no, 5:45. So the goal is to be back around 8:30, so I can get a nice dinner while there's light out. Okay, catch you later. Oh, by the way, it's a beautiful afternoon. The weather is perfect. I could even take my sleeves off. So it's Highway 9, but Highway 7 in the EU. That's interesting. They have different numbers. 9 for Denmark, 7 for the EU. I think it goes to Berlin. Jamming a little. Coming into Copenhagen, getting closer to the city. You can tell it's more big city like over here. Getting into the city proper, coming back from a long ride to Sweden. Very cool. Namaste. Indian food. Seems to be a lot of Indian restaurants here. Seems to be popular. Okay. Wow, is that the headquarters of Kronborg? I wonder. Very cool.